Hi guys, my name is Lisa and I'm a business English instructor for Talaera. Today, I'll be demonstrating some pronunciation tips for accent reduction. In the first two videos, we'll be taking a look at the L and R sounds. These are often mixed together into one sound by East Asian English speakers. Next, we'll tackle the W and V sounds, which are often used interchangeably by German and Indian English speakers. After that, we'll take a look at the T and D sounds, which are often confused by Indian English speakers. Moving forward, we'll examine the hard H sound. This sound is often challenging for French and Israeli students. Then we'll take a look at the TH sound. This is often considered one of the hardest sounds to create for non-native speakers. The TH sound often comes out more like an S, leading non-native speakers to say sink instead of think. Finally, we'll review the suffix and ending sounds ing and ink. When spoken, the suffix ing is often over-exaggerated, adding a g sound to the end, so it's more like singa instead of sing. Additionally, the ending ink is often pronounced when it should be ing. I hope you enjoy the following video series on accent reduction through proper pronunciation.